Okay, so this is it. I finished it up. The chain was coming loose, so I built a idler on it. Works pretty good. No problems. Got the tanks and all back. With the governor on it, it'll run about 50. When I take the governor off, it does about 60. So it does pretty good for riding around the neighborhood on. Don't have no problems with it. Been riding it for a little while now. Really easy. I didn't do no welding on it. I drilled and tapped everything on it. There's the plate. There's the bolts on it. I just drilled it and tapped the frame, bolted it on. No problems. Hope this will help you out.